Hello friends, first of all, sorry for being inactive these days. There are some serious network issues. Today we learn most interesting topic, how to find square root of a number whose result lies between 11 to 99. We know 1 to square results. So 1 square is a 1, 2 square is a 4, 3 square is a 9, 4 square is a 16, 5 square is a 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square 100. Everybody knows this result. Now we observe the result. The square of any number 1 to 10, right handed if we observe, we get 1, we get 4, we get 9, we get 6, we get 5, we get 6, we get 9, 4, 1 and 0. So remember from home, right hand digit of any perfect square should not be 2 or 3 or 7 or 8. Right hand digit of any perfect square should not be either 2 or 3 or 7 or 8. Now rule originated from here. Now observe the table very carefully. If I find square of a number, we know right hand digit should not be 2 or 3 or 7 or 8. The right hand digit may be 0, right hand digit may be 1, right hand digit may be 4, right hand digit may be 5, maybe 6, maybe 9. Now we have to find out whose square. Right hand digit is 0. 0 square is 0. So number is 0. If I make 0 square, we can write 0. Now 1 square is 1 and 9 square is also 1. Let's just observe here. 1 square is a 1, 9 square is 1. So 1 is possible for 1 and 9. Two cases. 4. 2 square is 4 and 8 square 64 is 4. So if I make 2 square 4, we can get 8 square 4. 6. Under 6, 4 and 6. Because 4 square is 16, 6. 6 square is 36, 6. Under 9. 3 and 7. 3 square is 9 and 7 square is 9. So remember, if square right handed is 0, the number end with 0. If the square right handed is 1, the number end with either 1 or 9. If the square right handed is 4, the number end with either 2 or 8. If the number right handed is 5, the number should be 5. If the number right handed is 6, the number end with either 4 or 6. If the number end with 9, the number end with either 3 or 7. Now we are observing this number, this number, this number, this number, this and this, and we have to find out what is the value of the square root of this number individually. Now develop the rule first. What is the rule? First of all, divide into two parts, leaving two places from the right side. Divide the number in two parts, leaving two places from right side. Similarly, leaving two places from right side means this. You have to divide the number in two parts, leaving two places from right side means this. Two places from right side means this. Two places from right side means this. And two places from right side means this. First part. You have to divide the number, given number, in two parts, leaving two places from right side. Leaving two places from right side, leaving two places from right side, these two places from right side, these two places from right side, these two places from right side. These are your first step. Now, next step. We have already divided two parts. We have to deal with the left part. I have to find the number whose square is very nearest to this number 51, but less than 51. If I go for 5 square, this result is 25. Then 6 square, 36. Then 7 square, 49. If I go for 8 square, 64 is a more. So this is less and nearest is a 45. So result is 7. The square root of this number will be in 2 digits. where left hand digit should be 7. Now our third steps. If we observe the right hand part, the right hand end digit is 4. Now if I consider this table, 2 square become 4 and 8 square become 4. So your result may be 72, maybe 78. Which one is right, you have to confirm. Now how? Now your result may be 72 or maybe 78 because left hand is 7. We have to consider which one is right answer. So what is the rule behind it? First of all, write 7. Multiply to the next hand number. 7 into 8 is 56. Now consider this number with respect to left hand 2 digit. This 56 is more than 51. So under 4, as it is more, under 4 which is less number, you have to consider that. Under 4, less number is 2. So you have to consider 2. 72 is your correct answer. Now consider case 2. Same rule, step 1. We divide 2 parts, starting leaving 2 place from right side. Your left hand part is 60, right hand part is 84. Now consider 60. Which number square is nearest to 60 but less than 60? That is 7. 7 square is 49, 8 square 64 is the mode. So now this is 7 square 49. Fine. Now under 4 there are 2 numbers. One is 2, second is 8. You have to consider which one is right. 7 multiplied by next high number 8. The result is 56. Now observe, in this case the result was more. In this case result was less. If it is less, we have to consider which is higher number, which is greater number under 4, means 8. So your result is 78. Again repeat. If we consider these two numbers, 51, we select 7 because 7 square is 49, which is nearest to 51 but less than 51. 2 digit square root, left hand digit will be 7. What will the right hand digit? So consider that thing, 7 multiplied by next hand number, 7 into 8, 56. In this case, 60, left hand digit is 7, 7 square is 49. Now under 4 there are 2 numbers, 2 and 8, you have to consider. Now for both cases, rule 7 multiplied by next hand number 56, 7 multiplied by next hand number 56. Now in this case, this number is greater than 51. So you have to consider under 4 which is less, this 72. In this case, the number is less than 60. So you have to consider which is the higher number, means 8, 78. If I consider the next two things, 40 and 43. For both cases, the number whose square is very nearer to 40 and less than 40, the result is 6. Because 6 says square 36. In this case also 6. Because 7 square 49 cross, so we consider 6. Now under 6 there are 2 numbers. One is 4, second is 6. Which is right? So confirm it. 6 multiplied by next higher number, the result is 42. 6 multiplied by next higher number, result is 42. In this case, the 42 is greater than 40. So if it is greater, we have to consider small number under 6. For greater, we consider small. For small, we can consider greater. So this is greater, we have to consider the small number under 6, means 64 is your right answer. And the second case, 42, which is smaller than 43. So as it is smaller, you have to consider large number under 6. Large number is 6. So your result is 66. Now third cases. We already divided 2 parts, leaving 2 places from right side. This is our first step. For second step, we have to consider the number whose square is nearest to 86 but below 86. So result is 9. Your result is 9. In this case also 9, in this case also 9. Now under 9, there are 2 numbers, 3 and 7. You have to consider which one will be the right side. Confirm. So 9, same rule. Next multiply higher number, 10. Your result is 90. 9, next higher number is 10, your result is 90. Now consider 90 is more than 86 or greater than 86. Now this 90 is less than 94. If it is greater than 90, we have to consider under 9, which is less. As it is greater, we have to consider less number. This 93 is your right answer. In this case, as it is less, we have to consider greater number under 9, so 97. So this result is 97. So rule for all cases are same. Now last revise. Consider these two numbers. Step 1. Divide the given number two parts. 2 place from right side. So left part is 86, right part 49. Left part 94, right part 0. Find out, step 2, find out whose square is less than 86 but nearest to the 86 is a 9. It is 9 also because 9 square is 81 is a less than 94 and nearest to 94. So your answer 2D number and left hand you already find out 9 and 9. Consider the right hand it. Right hand it is 9. So under 9 there are two numbers 3 and 7. Which one is right? For the confirmation, take this 9, multiply by next higher number 9 to 10, 90. In this case 9, 10, 90. Now consider these two numbers. This 90 is greater than 86. As it is a greater than, so you have to take less than, this is under 9 which is less, 3, so 93. This is less than 94. We have to find out which is greater under 9. Greater number is 7, so 97. Let us take new example. 42, 25, 56, 25, 256, 1, 2, 96. Recall our previous table. Under 5 there is only one number 5. But in the case of 1, 6, 9 there are two numbers 1, 9, 4, 6, 3, 7. Step 1. Divide two parts. 2 place from right side is a 42, 25. Observe 42. Which number square is less than 42 and nearest to 42? So 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49. I can take 6 square. Now 6 into next higher number 7, 42. Remember very carefully. In previous case that number either less than 42 or more than 42. But in this case the number is equal to 42. If the numbers are same, 99% right side should be 5. So we can write 5 because under 5 there is only one number. So 4225 square root the number is 65. Our next example 5625. Rule same. Divide the number in two parts. 2 place from right side. So left hand part is 56, right hand part is 25. Now find out the number whose square is less than 56 and nearest to 56. So 7 square. 7 square is 49. So you have to count 7 into 8 is a 56. Again these numbers are same. So when these numbers are same, right side should be 5. So under 5 there is only one number. Your result is 75. These are normal cases. Some special cases are, exceptional cases are there. Remember very carefully. 256 and 1296. We separate the number 2 place from right side. So left part is 2, right part is 56. I have to choose one number whose square is very near to 2 but less than 2. So 1 square. So 1 square, 1 into next higher number 2, I write 2. These numbers are same. Remember. In these cases, the numbers when same, right side is always 5. But here numbers are same, right side digit is not 5, it is 6. Now under 6 there are two numbers. So your left hand digit is 1 of your answer. So your answer may be 1, 4 or 1, 6 because under 6 there are two numbers. Either 4 or 6. So your answer is 1, 4 or 1, 6. I am not confirmed. So I have to take middle number 5. So 1, 5 square I have to find out. In our first video we have discussed how to find the square of the number end with 5. So 5 square is 25 and 1 next number is 2. So 1 into your result is 225. Now middle number is 225. and I have to test with respect to this value. The given number 256 is greater than 225. As it is greater, we have to go right side. If it is less, we have to go left side. So now 225 testing number. It is 256, so you have to move right side. So your right answer is 16. Now we consider 1 to 96. Rule same. Separate the number. 2 place from right side. So your left part is 12. Now 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16. So we consider 3 square. Because 3 square is 9, which is less than 12 and near to 12. Now consider 3, next number is 4. Your result is again 12. Same. Exception case, when same number, right side 99% case is 5. When it is the same number, here number is 6. Now, as it is 6, under 6 there are two numbers, one is 4, one is 6. So your result should be either 3, 4 or 3, 6. These two possible cases. Middle number is 5. If I say 35 square, so 5 square is 25 and 3 4s are 12. So testing number is 1225. Given number is 1296. As it is larger than 1225, we have to move right side. Right side means greater side. If it is less than 1225, then we have to move left side. So the number is given 1296, which is greater than 1225, so we have to move right side. So your right answer is 36, not 34. If the given number is less 1225, we have to move, your answer will be 34.